how to hide address on Amazon wishlist simple fix. If you wish to hide the addresses on Amazon wishlist, it's actually quite simple. Once you log into your Amazon account, go to your profile from the top right, and under your list, simply select the list from where you would like to hide a certain address. Over here, once you've selected the correct list, on the right hand side just click on the three dots or hover your mouse over it and then go to Manage List. Once you go to Manage List, if you scroll down, you will be able to see your shipping address. Now if this option that says Share my shipping address with sellers is particularly checked, then people will be able to see your address and share them with third-party sellers. So what you have to do is, once you've selected your address from here, you also just want to make sure to uncheck this. Now when you uncheck this, your address will be hidden, and now you can click the Save Changes button to be able to save the changes. This way you'll be able to hide your address on Amazon wishlist. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.